We live so much of our lives at full throttle, navigating the sharply twisting turns of hard-edged obligations. We travel at speed through the primary colours of the should have, must do, ought to, that demand our constant attention and affirmation. And in doing so, we delete the delicacy of difference. We distort the possibility of a life well lived out of existence. We fast edit, jump cut, slice and dice from one scene to the next, one imperative to the next, one persona to the next. Priorities prioritize themselves to the top of our to-do list, leaving the agenda point of a life well lived to disappear into the we'll get to it next time line of any other business. We move too fast to fill our lungs with this freshly chilled air of dawn. And we simply breathe to stay alive. And so, in such fast-paced haste, we fail to see the haze-hued sun begin to warm each night-chilled blade of grass, still drenched with dew. We become inured to the sinuous subtleties of every misty emerging moment that is in truth the genesis of all that is. But at this time of day, in amongst the change of light from night, we can remember there is a blissful, blurred beauty here, where all distinctions disappear and attention's taut line loosens. Here is where the edge of everything evaporates into the meeting point of time and the timeless. So, as night once more falls asleep, and as the day is just beginning, let's share this still and peaceful moment. Let's dwell a while in the space between what we make things mean, in this delicacy of difference, and delight in the light through which we can touch eternity.